Hi, so I'm just going to show you guys my Google Classroom. The top, I am Miss Otto's second grade class. I was then able to share my code with my classmates. So you can see on the left, I have just the different students in my class then that I was able to follow all of theirs. So we'll start at the bottom. I posted a new assignment. I did a 30 to 45 second video introducing yourself and your favorite subject to learn about. Just kind of a get to know one another in my class. Then I did a new division practice. So it's an Edpuzzle division problem. I can click on it and my students are then able to click on it, log in with their username, and then are able to watch a video and answer some questions. So we'll head back over here. Then I did just a little assignment thing. I hope you all enjoyed a long spring break. I'm going to be posting a few assignments coming up, so make sure you're checking. All work should be done individually. So then I did a new assignment March 13th, vocabulary practice. Just none of this stuff is graded, and then it'll say this is not for a grade, so it's just a quiz mobile link. And then if they click on it, it is a vocabulary game. So then you'll have to answer, there's a donkey, there's a cow, there's a sheep, there's a goat. Then they have to answer what animal all the different vocabulary is. Then we'll head back here. I did a vowel practice that same day. Another Edpuzzle. And then they'll have to watch this. Obviously, you can see I'm not logged on, but then they have to watch this, answer the questions, just a 2-minute video. And then I said, watch this video 3 times, practice out loud for family members or friends. Then I did a quote, Happy Sunday class. I wanted to share this quote. One of my students commented on it. Thanks for the encouragement. So you can see it's just a little quote. You can learn something new every day if you listen. Just a cute little motivational quote. Then I posted a new question. The question was, what do you think is the best way for students to show what they learned in the classroom? Then my students were able to pick from one of the following, and then I can click on my students and see what they did. Alright, the last couple things that I have on here, I have my Google Classroom folder, so when my students click on it, I'm able to click on this and it'll take me to my Google Classroom. Then you'll see I have 3 different worksheets that the students are then able to download and print off and complete and bring back into school the following day. Then I have a controversial topic short response. So you can see that I did an Untitled Forum, brings you to here. In your opinion, what's the best way for a teacher to test their class on skills that were recently taught? They're able to then put their answer here and submit it, and then we're able to look as a class and see what they did. And then I did a controversial topic, Flipgrid, which is a video, just a quick 30 to 45 second video for my students to then talk about what they responded with here, as well as here with the multiple choice question. Then at the top you can see it's Miss Otto's second grade class. I have my photo here, and then I just have a welcome to our class. I'm excited to get to know all of you, get ready for a fun year of learning. All of my classwork is organized, practice, controversial topic, introduction, and then just all the controversial things that I had just updated today. So thanks for watching.